Welcome back to Life Hacks. Got 1 minute? These hacks will change your life in 60 seconds or less. Let's dive in. 1. Still folding chip bags? Still untangling earphones? Still waiting forever for your phone to charge? Dumb. You're wasting time, and I'm here to fix that. Put your phone in airplane mode before charging. It cuts background tasks and speeds up charging by up to 30%. Perfect for when you're running late and on 2%. Fix it fast. Take a sticky tape strip and slide it between the keys. It pulls out crumbs, hair, dust, like magic. Right. Cheap, effective, oddly satisfying. Rub a dab of shaving cream across your mirror and wipe it clean. Fog 1T come back for days. Bonus. It smells great too. Wrap them gently and secure them with a large paper clip. Pocket-friendly, tangle-free, and totally free. No. Heat it over a candle and bend the head sideways. Now you've got the ultimate grout and edge scrubber. Perfect for sinks and tiles. No. 2. Chip bag seal. No clip, no problem. To seal an open chip bag, twist the top into a figure 8 shape and loop a rubber band over each side. It locks in freshness like a pro. No stale chips, no crumbs, no drama, no 3. Fast charging mode. Need battery fast? No. 4. Keyboard dust buster. Your keyboard's dirtier than your toilet seat. No. 5. Bent toothbrush grout cleaner. Old toothbrush? Number 6. Paperclip earphone wrap. Stop fighting with tangled earphones. No. 7. Anti-slip shoelaces. Shoelaces keep untying. Try the reverse double knot method. It's just one twist different, but locks tight and stays that way all day. Comment below, like the video, and subscribe to Life Hacks, where smart meets simple every week. See you in the next episode. No. 8. Fog-free mirrors. Hate foggy mirrors after a shower? Today we re-diving into 10 genius hacks that LL change the way you live. No tools, no budget, just brains. Twist the bag like a pro, make a figure 8, use a rubber band to hold it tight. No more stale chips, no more crumbs in sight. This hack is so easy, quick, and neat. Keep those snacks fresh and tasty a treat. Keyboard looking a little dusty, feeling a bit crusty? Don't you worry, we've got a trick up our sleeve, so good and so easy. With a paperclip, you can wrap them tight. Make sure the paperclip is shiny and new. Wrap the earphones, old or brand new. Double knot is the trick. Reverse the last loop. Make it tight and quick. Shaving cream is the star. Rub it on the glass. Make it smear and mar. Wipe it off clean. Let it dry with flair. Grab 2 pencils. Place them with care. Under the laptop, a slight flare. Lift it up. Improve the flow. Let the air circulate. Watch it go. Overheating woes, a distant cry. Thanks to these pencils, reaching for the sky. This hack is smart, quick, and a sight to see. Pencils as stands, keeping your tech happy. No more fog, no more haze, just a clear and bright day. Remember, it's the small changes that make the big difference. This hack is simple, quick, and true. A foggy mirror, a thing of the past. It's through. No more loose laces, no more slip and slide. This hack is secure, reliable, nothing to hide. Keep them tangle-free, always neat and concise. This hack is genius, simple and free. Grab some sticky tape, make sure it's nice and tight. Slide it between the keys, clean and precise. Watch the dirt and crumbs disappear from your sight. This hack is cheap, quick, satisfying too. A clean keyboard, a happy you. Grab a metal spoon, drop it in the brew, let it cool, give it a few minutes. It's up to you. Sip and enjoy. No more pain. A cool and tasty refrain. Well, this hack is useful, quick and concise. Hot drinks, no sweat. A spoon's the right device. Ready, let's go. Will absorb heat quickly and cool your drink just enough to sip. No burnt tongue, no waiting. Don't despair. We've got a quick fix to make it smell divine without any fuss or muss. Essential oils are the key. Put a few drops, it's up to thee. It's lavender, lemon, mint, or rose. Pick your favorite. Let the aroma flow. Inside the cardboard tube, it'll infuse every spin, a delightful excuse. To make your bathroom smell like a fragrant, flowery zoo, this hack is genius, simple and free. A fresh-smelling bathroom, the ultimate decree? We've got a hack that's quick and true. Your plain mode is the name, fast charging is the game. Don't throw it out, we've got to reuse. Heat it up gently. Bend it with care. Make sure the bristles are still soft and fair. Now use it to scrub those tiles and grout. Make them shine and sparkle. Kick dirt and grime out. This hack is clever, practical, and oh so neat. A toothbrush reborn, saving the day, complete. Turn on airplane mode before you plug in your phone. Cut the background noise. Let the charger do its own. Charge faster. Play longer. No need to roam. This hack's a lifesaver, quick and concise. No. 9 spoon too cool hot drinks. Coffee too hot to drink? Drop a metal spoon into the cup. No. 10. Pencil laptop stand. Laptop overheating. Place 2 pencils under the back edge to lift it slightly. Better airflow, cooler machine, faster performance. Crunchy chips? Life saved. Let's move on. From 2% panic to 80% power. Boom, what's next? Now that your keyboard's clean, let's clean your bathroom. No fog, no wape, no wait. Let's brush up on the next one. Run, jump, dance. They're not coming undone. From chaos to calm, let's move on. Sip safe, spoon smart. Let's refresh the room. No sprays, no stink, no problem. Better air, better focus. Let's go. No fan, no stand, just pencils and physics. And there you have it, to 10 simple hacks to upgrade your day without upgrading your wallet. Which hack blew your mind the most? Welcome back to Life Hacks, the channel that saves your day in ways you never imagined. Alright, let's get this party started. No one. Chip bag seal. Open chip bag got you down? Don't throw it away. We've got a trick to save the day. No. Too fast charging mode. Low battery blues. Got you feeling blue? No. 3. Keyboard dustbuster. No. 4. Bent toothbrush grout cleaner. Old toothbrush lying around, not really in use. No. 5. Paperclip earphone wrap. Earphones tangled. A frustrating sight. A morning rush. No time to fight. No. 6. Anti-slip shoelaces. Shoelaces coming undone. A tripping hazard, not any fun. No. 7. Fog-free mirrors. Mirror fogged up, can't see a thing. A shower just done. Now hear me sing. No. 8. Spoon to cool hot drinks. Hot drink in a rush? Tongue feeling the burn? Don't you worry. We've got a lesson to learn.
9.
Pencil laptop stand. Laptop's heating up? Fan not a whirl? Don't you stress. We've got a simple unfurled. Number 10. Toilet paper aroma hack. Toilet paper roll, looking bland, lacking a certain GI says. Qua. Better air, better focus. Better air, better focus. From stalemates to fresh starts. So there you have it, to 10 simple yet powerful hacks to transform your everyday living. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Till next time, happy hacking.